I heard I was gay at one point. I'm not somebody who chases clout. I think I'll do an album with Medikal.
Every time you remember, say when you be there for us. As you count your blessings.
What's up, my people? It's your boy, Mr. Drew, and I'm here to face the fans. Let's go. Silly. What inspires my music? I'd say beat. Usually I have to hear the beat first, and then that would push me to sing about whatever I want to sing about. So when I hear the beat from the producer, that's when I get the feeling or the vibe. If it's giving like a party vibe or, you know, a heartbreak vibe or, you know, yeah. So usually the beat, I get inspired by the beat. Else, I think, yeah, that's more like my major point of inspiration. Set out to be growing up. I've always wanted to be an artist or an entertainer. From childhood, I've always loved to watch people perform on stage, from Michael Jackson, Slim Basta, Terrible Chaka, FBS, Chris Brown, Asha. So yeah, I've always thought that I was gonna do this. Any song that came out without me hearing the beat. Nah, I think all my songs, I had to hear the beat first. But then I took the messages from, you know, whatever was happening around me. That was this year, especially because things were, you know, kind of difficult around that time. COVID had happened and, you know, businesses were shutting down, were laying people off in their workplaces. So I felt like, you know, I took inspiration from all these stories that I was hearing, and then I put it in the music, and that's why people love the music so much. I think it took me a day, yeah. MOG, that's the producer of the song, he sent a melody, he sent the beat, and then he sent a melody that he had in mind already. And then I just put in the lyrics, added the second verse, and then that was it. I'm open to doing any type of genre in music, any type of. I'm diverse like that. So I've done a reggae song. Title is Better. I've done different types of music. I've done high life. I've done like pure Afrobeats. So you find Mr. Drew doing all types of music in his career. I think that it's in the lyrics. Dance like there's no tomorrow. Forget all your sorrows. Basically, the country hot, everywhere hot. So if you say you're gonna stress, everybody's going through it. You understand? So the best is like not focus on your problems too much, because thinking about it too much is actually gonna stress you, the person. So you wouldn't even have the energy to solve it. But once you take your mind off it for a while, when you come back to it and you're trying to solve it, at least you get some ideas, you get some refreshed energy. So that's the whole message. Like, Charlie, dance like there's no tomorrow, forget all your sorrows. One thing I wouldn't do for clout or fame. I'm not somebody who chases clout, honestly. I'm not that type of brand. I haven't built my brand on chasing clout, or I've never thought that, oh, let's plan this and then make a stunt, or everything that's happened in my career is happening naturally. So I haven't built the Mr. Drew brand on cloud chasing, or nah, I'm not gonna do anything. I don't think any serious organizer would go pay my copy or impersonator. Then you the organizer, probably you have, maybe there are some few issues, but like I don't think any serious well-known organizer would pay an impersonator. You understand? Yeah. Ghana music has done well. It's doing really, really great. I mean, till date, I'm still hearing big songs coming out of Ghana. The likes of there's a new guy, Olivetheboy, amazing. He's doing really well. He's got a new single, Good Sin. He's doing really well. Both Ghana, Nigeria, other parts of Africa, and he's from Ghana. So just imagine, like Ghana music is doing really well. Yeah, I can't really complain. We're doing well. We're doing our best. Where's rumor? I heard I I heard I was gay at one point. Yeah, somebody said I was gay at one point. I heard it somewhere. Or somebody came to comment somewhere on my post. Yeah, it's just a rumor, one of those things. Probably when I'm being titled the best performer from Africa, then yeah, maybe then that's where we reach. Not quit, because even if, well, we could quit and then still go into modeling, we could still quit and then go into other businesses. You see, the work that we are doing is not just the music, you understand? It's a whole business. So we could go into fashion, we could go into other businesses, and we'll still be relevant. You get it? Yeah. Either Chris Brown or Asha. Yeah, man. Either Chris Brown or Asha. These are people that I've looked up to, and these are people that I would love to be on stage with. You understand? And perform. Imagine me performing Afro beats with, let's say, Chris Brown or Asha, or performing like a high life song with Chris Brown and Asha on the same stage, doing African moves. It's gonna be crazy. So, yeah. That's the reason why. I feel like it's gonna be mad. Favorite Ghanaian artist, Mr. Drew. Combined album. I think I'll do an album with Medikal. Yeah, so yeah, because people love to see us together. People love our energy, so we'll do an album. Yeah. Hopefully we are working on it. You might not know. Hopefully. Outside, I currently don't have anybody in mind, but yeah, I'm open to working with anybody from, other parts of the world. Hey. No, I beg this one there, because yeah, they're all fine, beautiful women. I can't, and people take things very literal these days. So I am close. I'm out of all of them. I know S3fa very well. Yeah. I'm one of those people that, like, if I put something somewhere, it has to be, that's how you need to leave it. You understand? Like, Infante said there's a room carpet, and then you come and then you sit down and then you push the carpet and then it's all folded. It irritates my skin, so I'm that type of person. If something is somewhere, just leave it there, or the way, even if you use it, leave it the way you came to see it. That's how I am. I don't know. There's a term for people like that, but I know there's a term for people like that, but yeah. Especially the carpet one. The carpet one there kills me, because if it falls like that, mama kuma eme. Chocolate. Skip. Both of them has to go, because you can't have bad breath. I can't stand bad. I can't stand body odor. Logic. Yeah, you can make very good choices. Everybody gets a problem. In this world we all live. No go kill yourself to solve it. Leave them for yard. Wipe off your tears. And every time you fall, remember. Say Onyami were there for us. As you dey count your blessings, try to move body. Baba go wash all your sorrow, so it go biggie like Idoro. When the money go flow, forget all your sorrows. What's up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Drew. Go check out my new single. Title is Tomorrow. Available everywhere. Audiomack, Boomplay, Spotify. Baby, munko checking it out. Namun streaming, namun jamming. Forget all your sorrows. Dance like there's no tomorrow. Silly.
Nothing there for pocket, for me I know they care.